I recently came across an AI tool that can write you viral hooks and that outperforms full-time content creators with zero effort. And also an editing bundle that I am using to edit these hooks, and it is as simple as drag and dropping these templates into your timeline in Premiere Pro. And I found this AI tool off of Instagram from Mino Lee, who is the founder of GoGhost.Ai.
I built an AI content ghostwriter that writes you viral hooks instantly. Give me 10 hooks.
And I love how he created an AI tool that can help us content creators go viral. But you may be asking, how can this tool help you go viral? Well, Mino wrote this AI tool as a ghostwriter that writes your viral hooks for your videos instantly. And the best part is that the AI tool already has viral hooks integrated into the system, which is why I think GoGhost is now better than ChatGPT when you are scripting your hooks and your video scripts all together. And you can ask it whatever you want when it comes to the hook or even scripting out your entire video. But you also want to make sure your prompts are as detailed as possible so your video is as accurate as you want it to be. And here's the exact method I'm going to use for a reel that I'm currently making. So go to GoGhost.Ai, which I will have linked down below. And keep in mind there is a free and a paid version, but for this video I'm going to be going through just the free version only. So now you want to input your prompt that is about your video, and again you want to be as detailed as possible with this. So for the prompt that's on the screen right now, it came out with 3 different styles of hooks. It came with a challenge-based, emotional storytelling, relatable lifestyle, and controversial opinion hooks. So here are all the hooks, and I liked them, but I don't love them yet. But there is another way that we can be more detailed. So you want to find a viral TikTok video that has somewhat to do with your video, and you can copy and paste the link into your prompt, and the AI will create you an even better hook after analyzing the viral video. And now we have more accurate hooks for what exactly we are looking for. Based on the video I am making, I just need a great title card hook at the beginning of the video. So I'm going to insert another prompt to tell the AI that I am not doing a voice overlay and just a text on screen only. So after looking at all the hooks, I'm going to be using the challenge-based hook. And the prompt that it showed for this hook is $409 for these glasses. Let's see if they can actually make my life easier. So now that is the exact hook title I'm going to use, and now I just got to get all the footage for my video.
3 hours later.
Now that we have all the footage, let's hop into Premiere Pro and edit this up. As we all know, the hook is the most important part when editing a video. So for this specific video, I'm going to be using a hook bundle template to make the hook of this video look more aesthetic, and I got this bundle from my guy Torsen. You can always make these text animations manually, but that'll just take so much time when we could just use this drag and drop template. So out of all of these options in the template that I bought from this, I'm going to use this specific part right here, and I'm just going to drag it over to my other sequence that my short form video is on. And now the only thing I need to customize is the title of the text, and for this video, this is the main editing that I am doing for the intro, and I will just need to add some simple text to each different clip to explain what I'm doing. And for this type of video, it's as simple as that, especially with these day in the life type of videos. And again, if you want to make these day in the life videos, you don't need Premiere Pro, you don't even need these Meta Ray-Ban glasses, you can just simply use your iPhone. So I just want you all to keep that in mind if you're wanting to make these type of videos. And also, here are all the different presets you can use in this bundle, which is insane. So if you're an editor like myself, it will save you so much time, and I highly recommend it. And a lot of these sound effects and animations are so satisfying, and there is just so much to choose from. So if you want to check out these editing packs, I will have them linked down below, and make sure y'all go get some with the current sale that is going on right now. He's currently doing a 55% limited time only sale, so if you're an editor needing drag and drop hooks, then you need this. And you can also use code Ethan in all caps for an additional $5 off. But now I'm gonna post this video. With now having the new Meta Ray-Ban glasses, I want to post more day-to-day life content with working, things I do around my home, going to the gym, and so much more that I'm going to show in my life to you guys. Because at the end of the day, utilizing short-form content is really what's going to grow your social medias, especially here on YouTube when you want more attraction to your long-form content. And by the way, I have a free Discord community where we can all give free value to one another. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.